The GoHighLevel Black Friday promotion is here, and it's one you don't want to miss. Running from November 25th to December 1st at 11:59 p.m. PST, this special deal offers incredible discounts for both new and existing customers. Whether you're new to GoHighLevel or an existing user, you'll be able to take advantage of limited-time offers that make this the perfect time to upgrade your business tools. Let's dive into the details of this promotion and how you can benefit. For new users, with the special Black Friday offer, you will save 50% on all plans for the first 3 months. If you've been eyeing GoHighLevel but haven't yet taken the plunge, this is your chance to experience its powerful CRM and marketing automation platform at a fraction of the price. GoHighLevel is offering 50% off all plans for the first 3 months. After the 3-month period, pricing will revert to the standard rates, but the initial savings make this a fantastic opportunity to get started. Here's the breakdown of the offer. The starter plan costs $97 per month. You pay $48.50 per month for the first 3 months and then $97 per month thereafter. The unlimited plan costs $297 per month. You pay $148.50 per month for the first 3 months and then $297 per month thereafter. The Pro SaaS White Label plan costs $497 per month. You pay $248.50 per month for the first 3 months and then $497 per month thereafter. In addition to the discounted pricing, new customers will continue to receive the full suite of services offered by GoHighLevel. Weekly training is provided to help you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your use of the GoHighLevel platform. GoHighLevel will help with onboarding, a seamless setup process that will quickly get you up and running with the platform. There is also 24/7 support to stop you from worrying about issues that may arise. GoHighLevel's support team is available around the clock to assist with any challenges. This is a great opportunity to not only save big, but to get the most out of the platform from day one. For existing GoHighLevel users, the Black Friday deals are just as compelling. If you're looking to upgrade your plan or add additional features to your account, there are several exclusive offers available. Here's what you can expect. The first is to do with upgrading your current plan. For those currently on the starter or unlimited plans, GoHighLevel is offering exclusive deals to help you upgrade to a more advanced plan. Whether you're looking to move to a higher tier monthly plan, or commit to an annual plan for further savings, now's the perfect time to take the next step in scaling your business. Secondly, GoHighLevel is also offering fantastic Black Friday deals on some of its additional products, perfect for those looking to expand their marketing features. These add-on deals include HIPAA compliance, which is essential for businesses in the healthcare industry or those that need to meet HIPAA standards. Priority support for faster response times and top-tier customer service. White Label mobile app, which allows you to brand the GoHighLevel mobile app with your own company's branding, providing a more personalized experience for your clients. The prospecting tool will help you identify and capture high-quality leads for your business. Lastly, the Ad Manager will take your marketing campaigns to the next level with an integrated ad manager to run and track ads directly within GoHighLevel. These special deals provide additional features to help you grow and scale your agency or marketing business. How do you get hold of this Black Friday deal? If you are ready to take advantage of this limited-time offer, it's simple. Just follow the links in the description to the special Black Friday deal. Both new and existing customers can access these incredible discounts. But remember, this offer is only available for a limited period, so be sure to act fast. As an exclusive bonus, if you sign up for GoHighLevel during the Black Friday offer period, you'll receive a comprehensive ebook on GoHighLevel, which I will send to the email address you used to sign up. This ebook covers everything from basic setups to advanced strategies for leveraging the platform to its fullest potential. It's the perfect resource to guide you as you get started with GoHighLevel. Don't miss out on GoHighLevel's Black Friday deals. Whether you're new to GoHighLevel or an existing customer looking to upgrade or get additional products at a discount, the Black Friday promotion offers unbeatable savings and a chance to supercharge your marketing. New customers can enjoy a 50% discount on all plans for the first 3 months, while existing customers can take advantage of exclusive upgrades and additional products at discounted prices. Be sure to act quickly. This offer ends at 11:59 p.m. PST on December 1st. Don't miss your chance to get the tools you need to build and scale your business. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.